Welcome to your channel Love for BHP. Like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. A study says there are around 2 billion of motorcycles across globe and people riding it. We have been riding machines from 50cc to 2200cc, from different categories of engine, V-twin, inline. But the question is, how these beautiful machines came into existence. I'm talking about motorcycle evolution, how it evolved. Today we'll be taking up with motorcycle evolution. So the journey started in 1712 when first steam engine was invented and was commercially available for train. A bicycle in 1817, and a combination of both resulted in invention of motorcycle. First 4-stroke motorcycle was developed by Otto, with whom the father of motorcycle named as Daimler and Maybach both were working as an industrial designer. Though the design was not primitive and efficient by that time. Daimler and Maybach, they both worked together and developed a fuel combustion engine. And in 1883, their design came into existence. The first motorcycle with which they came up was Reed Wagon in 1885. And Daimler's son took a test ride of it for 50 odd kilometers. Sadly, the engine caught fire below the seat and the design ended in vain. It may sound funny, but the evolution of motorcycle is quietly compared with the organic evolution of life. From 1712 to 1865, and post that, it boomed. We'll leave you with the series-wise development of motorcycle. Gottlieb Wilhelm Daimler is known as the father of motorcycle and indeed for automobile. Hope you have liked the video. Ride hard, ride safe.